Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best flip chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the American Furniture Alliance Juvenile Poly Cotton Studio Chair. Here we have a high-quality chair that you can easily fold into a seat or transform into a sleeper within seconds, and you will get the seat of your choice right away, which is simply convenient. On top of that, it comes with one rounded bolster that serves as a built-in pillow or backrest. With it, the comfort is endless no matter how long you use this chair. Not to mention that it is also sturdy. This is one supportive chair that you should not miss. It is compact and space-saving, and it provides ultimate comfort to users of any age. There are 3 colors available that you can choose among: black, pink, and blue. The choice is all yours. Moving on, at number 4, we have the floor chair adjustable Nnewvante back support chair. This is a floor chair that you can have anywhere in the house, and the comfort is still always there. The amazing thing about it is that it comes with 5 adjustable backrest angles from 90 to 180 degrees. That is to allow you to select for the best angle at your comfort and preference easily. With this chair, you won't have to worry about backache or any vertical pain at all. Plus, with its unique round design, the comfort is always yours. On top of that, this flip chair even comes with flexible padded floor setting. You can put it anywhere you like, and the comfort is always there for you. Plus, with its foldable design, this is one of the best flip chairs that you can bring along with wherever you go. The great part is that its seat cover is removable and washable, which is very easy to clean and take care of. Not to mention its waterproof base. This is the chair that you really should take into consideration. At number 3, we have the Furnishings Toddler Flip Sofa. Why chair when this flip sofa can accommodate more than one user for you? Comes with the perfect size for toddlers. This flip sofa is super roomy and comfortable. It works great as either seat for 2 or a play area for 1. Both ways are simply great. The sofa comes with soft and durable fabric that offers both comfortable and long-lasting quality that you can trust. The best part is that it is so supportive and soft, and the kids will absolutely love it. Also, it comes with slip cover that you can easily remove for cleaning. The whole sofa is very easy to use and take care of, and there are many colors available for you. Both the quality and the price are great, so let's see if this flip chair is something that you like. At number 2, we have the Penck padded floor chair. With this flip chair, you won't have to worry about slouching anymore. The awesome thing about this chair is that it helps to promote healthy posture, which is super great. It features the quality foam that conforms ideally to the body and offers maximum comfort for sitting and reclining. At the same time, the backrest is very stable and it supports up to 220 pounds of weight. It is very easy to transport, and it is so compact for easy storage as well. That is not all. This flip chair is also very easy to clean and take care of. It comes with high-quality linen cover which is washable and easy to wipe clean with just a damp sponge. You can use it as a lounge, meditation chair, and pretty much anything you like. Its adjustable backrest allows you to select the perfect positions just the way you prefer. It is compact and lightweight, and it is one of the best flip chairs that you should consider. And finally, at number 1, we have the Olee Sleep TriFolding Memory Foam Topper. This is one of the most popular and best flip chairs that many users like using. The great thing about it is that you can fold it up for extra floor seating or flip it for storage. On top of that, the chair features the supportive memory foam mattress to provide soothing sleep or sit. Along with that, it delivers great support on both your neck and back. That way, you will always feel the comfort no matter how long you sit. This mattress is both compact and portable, and you can easily fold it up after use for easy storage. It makes a great solution for temporary sleeping or everyday sitting no matter where you are. It is solid, sturdy, and durable, and it is one of the best flip chairs that you should have in mind. This one comes with 2 colors that you can choose from between blue and gray. Let's see if you like this option that we recommend. Many people love it.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.